siyempre. Ayan, so good evening. Miss Blue, kayo na rin bahala, Miss Blue, sa ano sa spotlight and all of the above. Dali po i-ano ko lang. I will just share. Okay? And play from start. Nakikita niyo po yung slides ko?
Opo.
Ay, salamat. Salamat sa nag-participate. Dali. Okay, so good evening po sa inyong lahat. Ako po, ang isa sa mga host, si Patrick Esmundo. And I would like to start tonight by telling you a story. Kanina po, ang ganda po ng prayer ni Brother Ton, no? And dito po sa QBS-KBC, Riman, Philippines, we love to pray. So, as a matter of fact, speaking of prayer, no? Ito po, the reason why we're here is because of a prayer. Two prayers, no? Dalawang prayer that were both, ito sabihin niyo sa akin kung coincidental or actually divinely appointed, no? So, bakit kami nandito sa Riman, no? Kwento ko muna sa inyo paano kami dumating dito. It began with two prayers on the same day, the 26th of June 2025, just over a month ago. So may dalawang nagpray, no? One was offered, one of the prayers was offered in the Philippines by the founder of Queen Boss Society and King Boss Club. Ang ating minamahal na founder, kaibigan and mentor na Miss Krisha Ann Pilapil Franch. Please also pray for her. She's about to give birth. And alam naman ng mga mothers and even fathers how difficult that is. So please include her in your prayers. Okay, so anyway, she was praying. She was praying on her birthday. That's her birthday, June 26. And she offered a prayer na ang plea niya sa Panginoon was to be guided by to a company which would give the professional Filipino network marketer the opportunity to showcase his and her passion, skills, work ethic, and ability sa global stage. Yun yung prayer niya. So itong prayer na to was born from the decision, our decision, collective decision to change directions or to leave our previous company. Now, the other prayer was being offered somewhere in the same day, 26th of June. Ang nagkwento nito sa akin yung nagpray, di ba? So she was sharing, si Dr. Marlisa was actually the one praying, and she was praying on June 26 in the United States of America. Her company, Riman, company we're talking about now, was about to be launched dito sa Philippines, pero wala siyang kilala. She did not know a single person. So ang kanyang prayer was, should I go? And then why go, di ba? Bakit ako pupunta? Wala naman akong kilala. Well, she prayed for a sign whether she should go or not. And then she talked to her longtime friend, no, about her hesitancy and about Philippines and about going there to maybe expand her network. And her friend is a longtime friend also of Krisha and Gerson, and happens to be a network marketing legend in Miss Lynn Allen Johnson. Miss Lynn Allen Johnson was making millions of dollars a month from network marketing. She started network marketing at the age of 56. By the time she was 59, she was making $1 million po, ladies and gentlemen, a month, no? So when she heard about this, she said, you need to go. You go and meet Gerson and Krisha. And that you must bring the best baby dress that you can find because she's about to give birth, and please put it in the best wrapper that you can find also, no? So this was her sign. Sabi niya, that was my sign to go kahit wala siyang kilala. Kilala niya actually, she knew about Gerson and Krisha from Miss Lynn Allen Johnson because she's also Miss Lynn Allen Johnson's doctor. Dr. Marlisa is a doctor, and she's also Lynn Allen Johnson's doctor. So Lynn Allen would tell her about this amazing couple from the Philippines. And so parang kilala niya, no? So the day came to meet them. It was in Shangri-La. And not them, si Gerson lang ang pumunta kasi kukuha lang naman ng damit eh. Kukuha lang naman ng regalo. So sabi ni Ma'am Krisha na she's very pregnant at that time. She said, hindi na ako sasama kasi wala namang usapan eh. Pero ang nangyari, pagdating po doon ni Boss Gerson, doon mismo sa Shangri-La, he was met by powerhouse leaders from Riemann, all bigatin ng mga tao. Dr. Merlisa is a formulator, sikat na formulator. She's even worked with NASA. Tapos na Dr. Rimka, Stephanie Rimka, also a celebrity doctor pero mental health naman siya. Also fascinating, no? Then there's Miss Brianna Michaels. Miss Brianna Michaels has shared the stage with Tony Robbins and on those big time speakers, no? Then there's Miss Dr. Lynn Diaz. Dr. Lynn Diaz is the chiropractor of Golden State Warriors, the NBA team. So puro mabibigat po itong mga taong nagne-network. Imagine nyo nagne-network, mga professionals na gano'n, no? So there was enough energy between all of them to light up the entire Metro Manila grid, no? So vision, powerful stories, deep whys, and plans were shared. And because of this, yung mind po ni Mentor Gerson was blown wide open, like he was being asked to come home. He felt like he was being asked to come home. He felt like Riemann, in a short time that they were together, he felt like this is where he belonged. So yung amazing experience na yun was shared with the very pregnant Miss Krisha as soon as he got home. And the implication was the very next day. Now, hindi naman sila dapat pumunta the very next day, and for the next 5 or 6 days, they were in Metro Manila. Ortigas became their home, or Mandaluyong became their home for the next 6 days. And ang nangyari, the next day din, tinawagan ako ni Mentor Krisha and said, Coach Pat, ano ang ginagawa nyo ni nanay, kami ni Karen? Sabi namin, hindi kami sa church nagsiserve. Anong oras kayo matatapos? Sabi ko mga 1. Sabi niya, can you come to Makati? Sabi ko, yes, of course, apply, di ba? So, ang nangyari, pumunta kami doon, launch pala ng Riemann. And nung nakita ko, I came on the latter part na, no? Sobrang daming tao, mas maraming tao sa labas kaysa sa loob. Nagulat ako, yung energy, ang taas, iba-ibang lahi. From different parts of the world, may mga Bombay, Koreano, Chinese, kung ano-ano, Amerikano, may Meksikano pa. Malalaman mo kasi nagsasalita eh. So anyway, nagulat ako tapos sabi ko hindi yata kami makakapasok. Yung palang lahat ng tao sa labas na mas marami pa kaysa sa loob. 'Di ba? Yun pala nandun pala sila para sa Riemann launch. Sinundo ako ni Boss Gerson. Tapos dinala ako sa loob, wala na, tayuan na lang. Pero narinig ko pa yung iba't ibang tao na magsalita. So fast forward 7 days after that, then we started it. Philippines launched officially on September 1. 7 days later, ladies and gentlemen, for those here for the first time, QBS and KBC team had generated 4 million pesos in just 7 days in sales, showing our uplines in the US and the Riemann management all over the world that the Philippines is not only welcoming them, but the Philippines is ready to go to war with everybody else and helping each other, no? So to those who have joined us in the call, welcome and very tight hugs from QBS KBC Riemann Philippines. You are about to find out why many of us in QBS KBC have sacrificed what we have built between 2 to 5 years in our previous company. Some making 6 digits monthly, some even making 7 digits monthly. Sinacrifice po namin lahat yun. Nag-resign po kami for the House of Riemann. So, who is Riemann? And why would all these wonderful people, may mga professionals po kami ha, may mga CPA, engineers, architects, di ba? Strength and conditioning coaches, physical therapists, teachers, lahat po kami mga professionals. Why would we sacrifice something that we already built over 2 to 4 years and start again from zero to this Riemann? Who is this Riemann? Riemann is a Korean company. It was established in 2018 by a multi-billionaire named Mr. Chairman Jun Hoon Ang. Okay? And he is a billionaire even before he put up Riemann because he was the #1 skincare formulator in Korea. Okay? Doon siya kumita ng malaki. And then, we'll tell you about later how he put up Riemann, what prompted him to create Riemann, no? So he established it in 2018. And by the time na 5 years later, no, 2023, it was a $3 billion revenue company. I'm gonna pause for a second to just allow that to sink in for a second. $3 billion ang sales in just 5 years. And because of this, it became the number 1 K-beauty brand in the entire Korea, which is the skincare capital of the world. Again, I'm gonna pause for a second. Imagine nyo, skincare capital of the world. There's so many brands. Over 1,200 brands, including luxury brands. Pero naging number 1 ang Riemann. Why? One of the reasons is we sold over 40 million bottles of a product called Dermatology Cream X, which Miss Karen will share later. 40 million bottles in a country which only has 52 million Koreans. Ibig sabihin halos lahat bumili. And so we're talking about the first movers advantage. We're just opening in Philippines. And the other companies, less than 2 years silang nag-open. So Riemann globally is a young company. It's a startup company. And alam naman po natin, para sa mga gustong magnegosyo, no? One of our dreams is to get into a startup company. Yan ang isa sa pinangapangalap ng mga tao. To find a company that's just starting. Para syempre, pag nag-starting pa lang, syempre ikaw ground level ka, di ba? Kung lalaki man yan, marami pang ilalaki, no? So ngayon, okay, so ang problema po is 95% ng startups nagfe-fail. Kasi mismanagement, lack of experience, etc., etc., no? So many reasons why. Pero ito ang maganda po sa Riemann, first movers, you are the first ones to enter the Philippines if you start today. We're going to open in October 1 pa. We have been with the company less than a month. We're all new. And if you join now, ang maganda po dito, ito ay very, very unique. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity. Why? Because you are going to engage in a startup company that's already $3 billion strong. Proven na po siya. Ito yung startup na proven na. Bilyonaryo yung may-ari, bilyonaryo pa yung company itself, no? So, how did it become the number 1 skincare? We told you because we sold all these products, right? And so, and it's also number 22 in the direct selling list. Ang ating products po, lahat ng ating products, for the information of those who are here for the first time, it's all vegan. No animals were used or harmed in the process of making all our products. And all our products are eco-friendly, including our bottles and our boxes and everything. Natural ingredients, fragrance-free, except the fragrance that comes with the natural oils that we use for our products. And of course, because of this, we're highly sustainable. Ang tanong, sino, di ba, bakit magko-commit ang Riemann? Riemann committed even before we sold any significant amount of product. You ask any company, you ask anybody who knows any network marketing company or multi-level marketing company, any international company that comes to the Philippines, hindi sila mag-establish ng business. Hindi sila magpuput up ng office until na mga Filipino mag-produce. Gusto nila muna makita na may market ang Philippines. But Riemann is different, and you'll know why. They invested $250,000 or 14 plus million pesos. Most of that went to the office. Around 2 million, I'm just guessing, no? Kasi may idea din ako kung magkano para mag-put up ng foreign entity eh. Around 2 million ang gagastusin dyan para sa mga legalities. The rest was given for the office, and you'll know why. Okay? Bakit? Kasi bakit sila nagkaroon ng lakas ng loob na mag-risk na pumunta sa Philippines kahit wala pang benta? Napakasimple lang po. They did their market study. And when they found out that Philippines is top 5 in terms of global demand for Korean skincare, they were ready to come in. And when they found out that in the $167 billion po, by the way, $167.73 billion ang nagastos ng buong mundo sa skincare last year. And 1.32 billion was contributed by the Filipino market. That's what we spent last year. in skincare, 1.32 billion US dollars, one-third of which is Korean skincare. Kaya nung nalaman to ng Riemann, wala na tayong pag-uusapan. Sabi nila, pumunta tayo doon, it's a good risk. Kasi sa kanila, ang 14 million pesos or quarter of a million dollars is barya. So they came in, no? And so they came in full support. And so ito, ang maganda pa po nito para dun sa mga first timers, everything about Riemann is luxury, including the design of our offices. All our offices globally were designed by the people that designed Prada stores. This is the office in Makati. It's also luxurious. So when you come in there with your guests, you don't need to explain that we're luxury. They'll feel it. We already have a general manager, sales manager, and we'll be shipping starting from October 1. We'll be shipping from 3 local warehouses, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, para madali po maabot lahat ng mga Pilipino. Okay, so K-Beauty, I'm just gonna take a few seconds to explain. Alam nyo naman na kung bakit sumikat ang K-Beauty. It started with Korean drama, then nakita yung ganda nila, tapos na nag-live sila, nag-tour sila, yung mga iba't ibang mga K-pop, nakita ng mga tao, napakaganda talaga ng mga balat nila. Kala nila puro makeup, nagulat sila, bihira may makeup. 'Di ba? May makeup pa rin pero hindi ganoon kakapal, tapos kahit magtanggal ng makeup para naka-makeup kasi ang ganda ng mga kutis, doon na nag-umpisa sumikat ang K-beauty na tinatawag, no? Korean skincare. Magkaiba po 'yon. Na-discuss the difference, pero suffice it to say ang Korean cosmetics became number 1. Korean cosmetics first of all beat Chanel and Lancome to rank in the US and Japanese markets. So ang una muna, tinalo ng Korean Cosmetics, yung ibang cosmetics na branded sa US and Japan, which are 2 main markets of cosmetics, no? Then then Korea overtook US and France eventually in 2025 in importation of cosmetic products. So to tell you about our cosmetic products, bakit naging number 1 siya? Ano yung ingredients sa loob ng mga yan that keeps people coming back for more, and what ingredients are there in there para yung balat ng mga tao hindi lang nalilinis, hindi lang na-hydrate, kung hindi na-heal. Yes po, napapagaling. I will take no more time to introduce to you my wonderful wife and the mother of our 4 wonderful children, person whom I love with my very own life. Please welcome, she is by profession, she is a licensed physical therapist. She's also a certified TESOL and ESL teacher. Please welcome Miss Karen Esmundo.
Okay, good evening, everyone. So thank you, Coach Pat, for that introduction, for the company, and for my introduction. Nakikita na yung screen ko? Am I sharing my screen? Not yet.
Hindi pa yata.
Hindi pa? Okay, so I'll share again. So this one, nakikita na?
Yan.
Okay. So, okay. Thank you very much. So, ayan po, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Nakita ko nasa 73,000 po ang ating participants ngayon. So, very exciting. So, yes, we have our company here, Riemann. So, kanina lang po at 4 o'clock, meron kaming pinisentan. And this lady is like 60 plus na ba siya? 60 plus years
68.
old. 68 years old. And she's into skincare. Nakakatawa. And then sabi niya, pumupunta pa ako ng Korea para, like, I know Korea is good, parang brand, Korean brand. So imagine, hindi lang siya, honestly, may mga iba pa kami na connect na nagpupunta talaga sila sa Korea for skincare products. So ngayon ang sabi ko sa kanya, so imagine niyo, hindi na kayo pupunta sa Korea. Sila na ang pumunta po dito sa Pilipinas at hindi na kayo kailangan gumastos pa ng airfare. So yan po yung kagandahan ng ating company. So, pinalapit na po sa atin yung Korean skin products. By the way, Riemann po, in English means rebirth. Yan po. And so we have our 3 powerhouse brands. ICD, which stands for Inselderm brand, and then Botalab and Lifening. So for the ICD, we have this skin signature brand, which is water-based. Ito po. Wait, I will... okay, laser pointer ko. Sige. So here po, dito sa taas, this is our skin signature skincare line po, itong Inselderm, which is water-based. And then we also have our advanced skincare. Ito pong nasa baba, which is Radiant Sum 100, meaning lahat po ng ingredients dito are microfluidized. And this is oil-based. And then under Inselderm brand also, we have the cosmetics. So, di ba, ngayon pa lang makikita na natin, ang dami palang products na talagang nakaabang-abang po. Okay, when they start on October. And then we also have the Botalab. Dito po sa taas, we have the Deserticola hair care products. And then here we have the Suamel for our body care. And then this one, Lifening for our skin supplements, starting with our supplement for our gut. Kasi dyan po talaga nagsisimula ang lahat. So it's like a probiotics. And then also we have collagen. So nakita niyo naman talagang well-planned po ng company that they have a holistic approach when it comes to their skincare. Ayan. And then let me introduce to you their patented ingredients, the Giant Beyond Pool and Jeju Lava Energy Water. So for the Giant Beyond Pool, this is known as Centella asiatica, Asiatic pennywort, tiger grass, or here in the Philippines, it's known as goto kola. So yan. So tiger grass kasi, the story behind this is that they observed anciently that tigers po, when they get injured after a fight, they look for this grass. And then they will roll over this grass and then they receive complete skin recovery. And that history, that ancient story, ignited a passion from our chairman An, which is the #1 formulator in Korea at that time. So for 4 years, he studied about this grass and actually made his own innovation. So alam mo yung story na to, nakakatuwa kasi hindi na siya nakaka-intriga kung hindi may mga tao talaga na they have this passion for their craft. Since formulator na siya, pero hindi siya natapos doon. He made his own. And because of his innovation, yung kaliit-liit na goto kola or tiger grass na size lang po ng 20 peso coin grew to 3 to 4 times, actually 4 to 5 times of its original size. So, sinlaki na po siya ng ating palad. At nakakatuwa pa po, it's not just about the size. It's about the properties that the Giant Beyond Pool has. It's 1,000 times more than its regular size. So kaya po may bago siyang name, Giant Beyond Pool. This is patented because this is considered as a new plant. So imagine the properties has increased 1,000 times with anti-inflammatory benefits, with hydrating benefits, and also its healing properties po. So yan. And what we use in our products is the leaf water. So they extract it from the fresh goto kola, from the fresh tiger grass. So yun po ang kaibahan natin sa ibang products po na meron din ganitong ingredient. So ang isa pa po is the other ingredients po na ginagamit ng mga ibang brands is that dry. So nakakatuwa po na dito 45 days or up to 2 months po, they harvest it already. So we are assured na ang ginagamit po dito ay fresh. So talagang yung benefits po from the Giant Beyond Pool is part of our products. And then, ito naman pong Jeju Lava Energy Water. Ito po yung matatagpuan. Of course, sa Jeju, makikita nyo mamaya kung bakit dito bakit dito kinukuha yung water. So this is seawater from the island, and then it passes through the lava rocks po underneath the Mount Halasan volcano, which is a UNESCO protected heritage site. This is government owned, and only 6 people po are allowed to have access for the use of this water. And our chairman, Anne, has been granted that access. So yan po, kaya meron tayong energy, water for our products. So imagine niyo, these are naturally filtrated. Imagine mo yung mga pathogens, yung bacteria, yung lead, anything, lahat ng toxins po from the water, it's cleansed. At hindi lang po yan. It's not just clean, it's not just stable, but it's mineralized. So kaya po siya, this is live water, alive, buhay na tubig. Kaya po nagkaroon ng innovation because they use the energy water for farming the giant biang pool. So kung nakita natin na ganun, naging buhay, naging malaki yung giant biang pool, imagine what it can do to your skin, to our skin. So yan po. Now, with these ingredients, kahit na po gaano kaganda po yung ingredients na meron po ang isang produkto, without its delivery, without its technology, yung delivery process niya, hindi po yan makakatulong sa balat natin or hindi fully ma-enjoy po ang benefits ng mga active ingredients. So, because of this, we have the Western technology, the nanoliposomal technology, using a very expensive machine called microfluidizing machine. So, ano pong ginagawa nito? It takes the active ingredients into its smallest particle so that it can penetrate deeply into the dermis. So, kaya po in-cell derm, inside the cell. So, ang gumagamit lang po nito ay pharmaceutical. Bakit po? Kasi mahal po siya. Hindi po yan yung mga normal na mga gumagawa po ng mga products, baka ka-afford po nito. Why? So imagine po, yung mga topical ointments, yung mga topical applications po from our doctors, they advise us, okay, because yung chemicals na pumapasok po, mga potent. So, hindi po siya pwedeng matagal. So, just imagine yung ganyang delivery, but what it delivers are safe ingredients, are pure ingredients, are clean ingredients. So, dito po, sobrang namangha po ako when they were explaining it sa amin when they came here in the Philippines last August. So, we have patented ingredients for 20 years. Actually, 18 years na because we're 2 years in. So we still have 18 years exclusivity. And then with this technology, we are very sure that we can enjoy the benefits of the products. So dito po, with the Riemann philosophy, the cleanse, hydrate, and protect, I think everybody naman, or mostly, ito na po yung routine natin, cleanse, hydrate, and protect. Pero what's the difference po? For Riemann ritual, they observe or they follow dual cleansing. So here is the skincare line for Inselderm. So ito po siya, we have two washes, the moisture cleansing oil wash, and then the cleansing powder wash. So actually, dito pa lang po sa oil, tama si Coach Pat, we have vegan ingredients like the jojoba seed oil and the black cumin seed oil, and this has raspberry stem cells. So sa cleanser pa lang meron na tayong stem cells. And then we have, after the powder wash, we can use the Too Faced oil mist. Ito po for moisturizing and hydrating. Kaya po siya separate. Makikita niyo po in actual product, ganyan po. The oil is separated from the water. And then I learned that ang oil pala moisturizes while the water hydrates. And then we have here the Calming Balance Gel, which has 24-karat gold flakes to ensure absorption of the ingredients. And then the Booster Serum. The booster has NMN. both the booster and the serum, and they have 81 to 88% moisturizing benefits po. And they have also enzymes for DNA repair. So this is very good for melasma. Kasi po talagang, bakit nag-change? Because it really repairs from the DNA level po. And then we have the dermatology cream, which was explained by Coach Pat, that sold 14 million units, but I think now it has increased to 50 million. So this also has the same ingredients. It has NMN, exosomes, and it has also ergothione, good for rejuvenation and anti-aging or reverse aging. So lahat po yan, ito po yung mga hero products natin that has Giant Bianco Leaf Water and Jeju Lava Energy Water. So anything po sa final phase ng product manufacturing na merong kailangang tubig, they use Jeju Lava Energy Water. And then of course with the Protect, we have the Aqua Protection Sun Gel. So this one po, may mga ingredients tayo na patented din nila. And then we have other functional items like the multi-stick balm, which uses Giant Bianco leaf oil. And then we have the melting mask. Marine collagen po yung ginagamit dyan. Very small, 40 times smaller than our skin pore. That's why it melts in your face. So ganun po ka-innovative po ang ating product formulator. Kaya one of a kind. So I'm sharing this with you kasi I want you to have your own Riemann experience because your skin deserves nothing but the best. So ako po, hindi na po ako nag-makeup ever since I started Riemann. So, di ba may mga nilalagay pa? Kasi we have our own skin goals. We have our own skin problems. So ang skin goal ko is gusto ko yung simple lang na wala ng makeup. Pero kahit na may cleanse, may hydrate at protection, okay sa akin yon. If ang nawala naman doon is yung makeup. So okay na you're just looking fresh. So maghapon na ako lumabas and then hanggang ngayon, so still I like what I see. Kasi ang kailangan naman po, it's like kailangan masaya kayo, di ba? So ngayon, yung nakikita nyo po ba sa mirror araw-araw, masaya po ba kayo? Or meron pa kayang ikasasaya? So just like these individuals who also tried Riemann products and have enjoyed its benefits. So nakikita po natin dito yung mga age spots, nag-lessen. And this one, yung crow's feet, or alam niyo yung mga fine lines dito, look, after ilang months ba to? 6-8 months of usage, consistent use, nawala na po. And you can see the lid lifting effect. Ako po, I really am into the products. So talagang we have in our website, may product training group. And I suggest for the others to listen to it kasi meron din po siyang test after every training. At nakakatuwa po kasi they're saying na they don't use harsh ingredients. They all use gentle and natural ingredients. So, consistent use. Hindi po tayo yung ayaw nila na yung problem solving actually. But gusto nila is protection and prevention. Pero even then, pag ang skin pala ay nourished from within, it will heal itself. Diyan po natin makikita ito po, mga melasma, significantly reduced, nakita nyo po, at hindi na po yan babalik. According to Dr. Marlisa, once the skin is healed. And as you follow po, no, yung exposure sa sun. So kailangan din po talaga ng alaga. And then here, the aged spots, halos hindi mo na makita dito after 2 months. And then the laugh lines. Diba? Tingnan mo yung parang yung lifting effect dito nitong nasa gitnang picture is really different. And this one, flat cheeks to plumper cheeks because of hydration. Kaya sinasabi, parang ang dami namang ilalagay. But actually, you can curate your own regimen. Yun ang sabi dun sa product training. So you can do everything or you can also like schedule. So pwedeng mag-oil ka sa gabi, the dual cleansing, and sa umaga, if nagmamadali, you can do just the powder wash. Ang ganda po ng product training. But if you use everything, you can have the full benefits, which I am actually practicing now. So look at the puffiness here. It's gone. Look at the heavy eye bags. It's reduced. Look at the dark under eye circles. It's gone. Kaya na niyang lumabas sa araw and now tanned na. So look at our Filipino testimonials. Here, those who know Sir Carlo, nakita naman natin na talagang si Sir Carlo, wala naman talagang problema sa balat, no? Pero may i-improve pa pala. Look at the brightening, the dewy look of using the product. So, and this one naman yung pimple ng daughters namin later, makikita ninyo. And this one is my personal experience po, yung kanilang anti-inflammatory na sinasabi. This is like, ako po, pinahid ko or I use the Vaseline lotion na naiwan sa car, and then after ilang seconds lang nangate, para ako nagka-rash, redness, nakita niyo to, nag-swell. And then I use the Calming Balance Gel and the Too Faced Oil Mist, yung lang pong dalawang ginamit ko. And then after 5 minutes, nakita ko na kumbaga naghiwa-hiwalay na yung bootleg, di ba? So nagdi-dissipate na. And after 10 minutes, bumalik na sa normal yung skin. So, ganun po yung reaction talaga ng mga ingredients na gagamitin natin sa mukha natin. Kung ito ganito sa balat natin, what more sa face? Kaya po doon I suggest that those who are doing their facials, yung demo, so kung ayaw nila pong gamitin sa mukha, pwede nyo pong paggamit muna yung testing. I suggest dito sa inner arm, kasi dito po talaga matitest natin kung magkakaroon ng allergic reaction eh. So better than dito po sa back of the hand. Mas maganda po dito. And then here naman po yung sa daughter ko. So I took her picture for her actually, not for posting, kasi gusto ko siya mismo ma-convince na to stop using yung mga fairy skin, mga kung ano-ano mga nabibili over the counter dyan sa mga Tiangued. It's worth 300. Pero ang nakikita niyo naman, masisira yung skin barrier. Ang skin barrier natin is something that will protect our skin from pollutants and contaminants. Kasi kung hindi, mas lalo siyang papasukin ng bacteria. So look at this, swollen siya. So she used the complete set, and then umalis kami, and then pagbalik namin ng bahay at 6 p.m. Nakita niyo naman po umimpis na yung pamamaga sa cheeks niya at yung mga pimples niya nawala. Hindi man nawala, nandiyan pa rin, pero nakita niya yung quality after 1 use. So kung ito na-experience namin, so hindi kaya pwedeng ma-experience nyo din. Yun ang gusto kong ma-experience nyo sa products na we are presenting tonight. Hindi lang po ang ating balat sa mukha ang importante, pero doon din po sa mga may problema sa scalp and sa hair. We have Botalab. Itong isa na tong pictured here is only after 1 wash, natanggal yung flakiness and then dryness and redness and swelling of the scalp. And this one naman, receding hairline, nakita niyo naman po yung regrowth of the hair. It's thickened na, nakita niyo. And also the density or the quality of the hair, stronger siya. And this one, braso po ito ng isang horticulturist. Ito po yung mga testimonials po from our upline sa US. And after 2 months of using their body care, nakita niyo naman po yung significant improvement sa skin texture. So, napaka-importante po. It's not about age, matanda na ako, hindi ko na kailangan yan. Mas kailangan nyo yan. Kailangan natin ng protection sa ating skin. Lalo na sa mga may diabetes. You need to protect the moisture of your skin para hindi madaling nasusugatan. Yan. So now, ito naman po yung ating $800,000 na 3-minute video ito po ang kwento at pinapakita ang kanilang Ask Laboratory and how they are farming the products, how they are very meticulous in how they harvest, how they check, and also infuse the leaves with the Jeju Energy water. So, yan po makikita natin na very transparent yung company nila when they really show kung saan po talaga nila ginagawa, saan po, ano po yung ginagawa nila. Kasi tayo, yes, we trust the brand. Pag mahal po, you don't have to actually convince the people. Pag know na yung brand, alam nila na it can be trusted. Lahat maganda. Pero hindi niyo natatanungin saan galing yung ingredients, ano yung ingredients niyan. Tama? Basta nakita natin, ito langkong to, ito ganito to. Bibili na tayo kagad ng product. Or ito, ini-endorse ng celebrity. Pero dito ko lang po nakita honestly. Kaya ko po napabilib sa tagal namin po sa networking products, sa networking business and with the products. Ngayon ako nakakita na talagang sila po ang gumagawa ng lahat sa produkto nila. These are not toll manufactured. So yun po yung kagandahan. Kaya you are actually using unique products. So I'm happy to share it with you tonight, and I hope that somehow you have gained knowledge po, no, na meron palang ganitong products. So thank you very much po, and now I'm going to turn the time over to our next speaker, si Miss Blue Ann Pilapil, parating sinasabi, the youngest senior manager in QBS KBC. So she is an IT graduate, and at the age of 23, she earned her first million and consistently earned 6-digit po. So imagine niyo po, kung taken na po si Blue, no? Pero alam natin na sa ganyang quality ng bata, parang anak ko na po siya. So napakaganda, napakabait po niyan. Kaya po binibless ni Lord at napakatalino. So kung ano man po yung ipapaliwanag niya tungkol sa rewards, siya na po ang merong ang tawag dito authority, because she has herself earned that authority to give us the reward system for the month. Take it away, Miss Blue.
Grabe naman. Thank you, Miss Karen. Thank you din, Sir Patrick, sa napakagandang presentation about our company, about our products. And now, di ba, nabanggit nga ni Miss Karen na I will be sharing with you kung paano naman tayo mag-earn dito sa ating napakagandang company. So I know you are all excited to know kung paano tayo mag-earn dito sa opportunity. So now let's start. Now, I will say that this is a very unique plan. Mostly kasi sa mga company na in this industry pays out between 30 to 40%. Well, this actually pays out 57% of the revenues. So, we actually have 6 ways to earn, but I will just discuss 2 of them for tonight. So, if you want to build a customer base, if you want to market the products, we have the retail income. So, dito kasi sa Riman, ang income natin is based sa ranks natin. We have planner, manager, senior manager, team leader, and directors. So, we can earn from 10% to 54% retail profit. So makikita po ninyo dyan, merong naka-square na dalawang ranks, yung manager and senior manager. Kasi po, ang pinakamahalaga sa atin is, isa sa pinakamahalaga is for us to reach the senior manager rank. Dahil ito yung locked in na for life. Meaning, you have 30 to 40% retail profits na sa mga products natin. And here sa Philippines, nagre-range ang products natin from 1,900 pesos to 5,600 pesos. So if ang focus mo ay gaining customers all over the world, and yes, good thing because we are already present na nga in 9 countries, diba? So very, very exciting. Now, all you have to do is just send them your link. And yes, you will also have your own website link once you decide to sign up. So, You can earn just by sharing our #1 skincare product. Diba? Very, very much exciting naman yun. Mag-share ka lang and you'll earn na. Now, the second way is if you want to build your team. Now, let's say you want to help someone na makapag-start din ng business. You want to help them earn as well. We now have the leadership match bonus. So once you hit the rank of team leader, on your first generation, you will earn 40% from their paycheck. So for example, I am a team leader and my first generation is my mom. So if she earned 1 million income in 1 month, I will also earn 400,000 pesos from that same month. So for every team leader up to my third generation, I will also be able to enjoy the perks of the leadership match bonus. The more you help other people, the more na natutulungan mo rin yung sarili mo. Pero, ang maganda pa dito, you can reach up to your 6th generation when you reach the director rank. See, our compensation plan is very generous. In summary, if you want to market the products or if you want to build your team, we have a way for you to earn. Diba? So, sobrang exciting kasi kung ano man yung strategy mo when you do your business, we have a way for you to earn. And now, let's talk about naman a little bit about first-class marketing. Kasi ang maganda with this company is they really believe in first-class marketing and celebrity endorsements. So you can see, this is an example. Another example is this. So this is Won Bin, who's actually 49 years old. Yes. And if you look at him, isa siya sa mga successful na actors in Korea because he was featured in one of the highest grossing film called The Man from Nowhere. And in Korea, he's known to be a very private person. Para siyang George Clooney or Brad Pitt. So hindi mo siya madalas makikita sa mga advertisement because his name himself is like a brand. Kaya when he decided to lend his image himself to our marketing, it really propelled our company as far as credibility. So he doesn't put his name on everything, and the fact na pumayag siya to represent Inselderm landed into a lot of credibility to us. Also, not to mention that the ads that they put out are like Versace commercials to me. You know why? These ads are so high-end because it's actually because of the brands that they partner with. So they've actually partnered with a company called Pentagram. So it's the #1 marketing and branding firm from New York. So you can see they represent some familiar brands sa atin, di ba? Like Lululemon, Tiffany & Co., Wonka, and now Riemann. So listen to me when I say this. This will become the #1 K-beauty brand globally, and you're hearing about it very, very early on. Now, another addition to our company is Frederick Bertin. So, isa siya sa mga malaking naging help talaga with our products. Now, you may not know him personally, but I absolutely believe you know Louis Vuitton. He actually formulates their fragrances, and now he's doing it with Riemann. Again, Riemann is trending, Riemann is cool, it's aesthetic, it's well-designed, it's well-packaged. Ito yung mga tipo ng products that people would want on their countertop. It's the type of product na bibili nila even without knowing the marketing plan. So now we have good company, great company, great products, great marketing. Now let's talk about the man behind. This is the man that owns the company and owns Ask Labs. So siya yung tinutukoy and sinishare ni Ms. Karen kanina. He is Chairman Ann. So isa sa mga interesting sa kanya is successful product formulator na siya for 30 years. And is already a billionaire who drives a Hyundai. And I'm telling you, he's not doing this for the money. Passionate talaga siya into bringing luxury skincare to the everyday person. Kaya these products are priced at what they're priced at. So, gaya niyan, meron tayong mga dermatologists, doctors, owners ng aesthetic clinic na tumitingin mismo at sumusubok sa products natin. And nagugulat sila kasi they've never seen a product do what this does and do it so quickly. Kasi yung products po natin ay cosmeceutical. Nagagawa niya yung mga bagay na hindi nagagawa ng normal skincare. Kaya pag tinatry na nila yung mga products, akala nila these are priced at 10,000 pesos, 15,000 pesos, kaya nagugulat sila sa price point natin at kung gaano siya ka-affordable. And now, to prove to you na it's really on a mission to give back to the people, di ba? Usually, yung mga nakikita nating CEOs, owners ng mga company on their first year, they upgrade their house, their car, buy a private yacht. But our founders understood one thing. And that is if we take care of the people that build the business will take care of itself. That's why they built the Riman Village with 9 villas, well-designed, state-of-the-art technology. And normally, kapag na-hit yung director rank or higher, ito yung magiging incentive ng company. So may mga celebrity chefs na magluluto para sa'yo, may mga gifts sa bed mo gabi-gabi, minsan 'di ba may mga cash pa na binibigay, maliligo ka sa pool of Jeju lava water. Well, usually you need to be a director for you to have this incentive trip. But for the Philippines, if you hit the team leader rank, you'll be able to enjoy this masterpiece. And they also said na you'll also be able to see the smart farm. So, syempre, makikita mo yung mga technology. So, sabi ko, okay. So, may sarili siguro silang greenhouse or garden. Pero I was shocked when I saw this map of Riman campus. Because I know this is bigger than skincare. And nung nakita ko na at I learned how this is completely vertically integrated, ibig sabihin, they own every step of the process from farm to face. They own the patents, they own the land, and they even have their own smart farms. Plus, they also own the bottling facility na gumagawa rin ng mga bottles ng products natin. So, wala na silang middleman. Plus, nape-preserve pa nila yung quality ng products. Kaya, they have more money for research, for first-class marketing. And also, kaya very generous din when it comes to our compensation plan. Kaya nung nalaman ko yon, sabi ko na sarili ko na it's really an honor to even be partnered with this brand. Because imagine, Chairman Ann even mapped out a 100-year plan on how he wants to become the #1 K-beauty brand in the world. And he wants to do it with us. And sinasabi ko na sa inyo ngayon, he's not competing with just any other brands. He's competing with La Mer, Chanel, Dior. And now makikita ninyo mismo exactly where we're at. Guys, we are just getting started. They have a mapped out plan on how they will be in over 50 countries in the next 5 years. And look, we're on number 9. Ibig sabihin, isa ka sa magiging first movers of something that is about to explode. Alam naman natin na yung K-drama, K-pop, K-beauty, lalo lang lalaki yan. Kaya now, we will be in Japan by the end of the year, and syempre, they're going to keep expanding globally in 2026. Now, I know you're asking, Miss Blue, how can I start? First, message the person who sent you this link and sign up. Next step is for you to have your kits. If you're going to start your business, syempre, kailangan first masubukan yung product. Second, may product ka for demo. Third, may products available ka na on hand pag gusto na nilang mag-order. We have business kits priced at 90,000 pesos. So this can accommodate up to 5 sets of our signature ritual, which can also mean na mag-earn ka na dito ng retail income. Now, we have advanced kit priced at 65,000 pesos. Ang value nito is around 72,000 pesos. And of course, we have our starter kit at 21,000 pesos. So I am telling you now, you'll be experiencing an amazing product and you'll have a global business. We already have an amazing company, amazing product, amazing reward system, pero lahat ng to ma-feel at mai-experience mo once you finally secure your kit. Imagine pag may sariling products ka na, mararamdaman mo na mismo first hand kung gaano ka-premium yung products natin. Yung mga technology na nabanggit ni Miss Karen kanina, may experience mo na yun. Diba? Maririnig mo na rin kung gaano ka gusto ng mga tao na masubukan ang Korean skincare. And lastly, makikita mo na gaano kalaki ang potential of having a global business. You have to see it for yourself. How? Avail your kits now and experience the beauty of our skincare. Again, good evening everyone and thank you. Back to you, Coach Pat.
Thank you, Miss Blue, for that powerful explanation, and Miss Karen Esmundo for just explaining the product so well, no? So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. No? That basically concludes our presentation for tonight. Nasagot na po namin who is Riemann and how did it become the #1 skincare product and system in Korea in just 5 years, and how it can be the #1 it's about to be the #1 skincare system sa buong mundo. Okay? And nakita po natin kung paano yung income, no? It was just mentioned briefly, but just the 2 ways to earn already shows you just how much income can be made from this business, no? And of course, how amazing and visionary Chairman Jun An is as a formulator and as a leader. All products, as Miss Blue said, are made by us and nobody else, thus making luxury affordable. No? We have also emphasized how important it is for you to take advantage of the timing. Timing to business is as important as location is to real estate. So if you go into cassette tapes, VHS, diba, disc, laser disc, or DVDs even, medyo late na po sa negosyo natin, no? Pero if you are looking into skincare is a hot, booming business. As a matter of fact, last year globally, skincare industries revenued $167.73 billion US dollars. Okay? And in the Philippines, mentioned, napakalaki po ng market. So it would be for your best interest and for your future's best interest, family and self, that is, na engage po kayo as soon as you can. Thank the person who has invited you because they cared enough to invite you. And so now you know why we have sacrificed everything in our previous company to be with Riemann, because we cannot just make more, but here we go global. Global na nga po tayo, no? So you do not need permission to be brave. You do not need permission to succeed. You just need to decide. Patrick Esmundo po with Karen Esmundo and Miss Blue Ann Pilapil inviting you to be part of the House of Riemann. Good night.